What is going on, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a good morning miners update, guys. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well and fantastic wherever you guys are. Good morning. Got my dad cup this morning and we're good to go. I do just want to say I've seen some news that the ETF, or that the ETF for Bitcoin, that Grayscale, or that the SEC went against Grayscale for. Well, Grayscale won, right? Well, this is, I'm assuming, the direct correlation. Pamp it. That is a legit 15-minute chart. Like, legit. Everything. Pamp it. You can even go over to CoinGecko and quite literally everything. Pamped it. Bitcoin took a 5% pump on the hour. I don't know. It's pretty freaking standing. When I was going to start recording this video, before I put the baby down, we were at 26k, was what I was going to say. But now recording this video, we are at $27,365 on the Bizity Bitcoin. Litecoin is at $68.60. Ethereum is at $1,720, as well as Flux is up to 32 cents right now. Over the last 24 hours, everything has gone up. Solana is at $21.66, and ETC is at $16.63. I would be curious to know, guys. I just changed it to ETC because there was nothing really here. If you have a coin that you would like us to track that is proof of work related, that Binance OG may have, let me know, and we will track it here on the weekly morning video. So let's dive right into our topics today, guys. The first one, BattleMage GPUs are in the labs, guys. So the ARC Intel BattleMage, let's see right there. The ARC Intel BattleMage GPUs are cooking in the labs, and they are set to launch for 2024. I do like the ARC. I like the Intel ARC GPUs that we currently have. I have two A750s. Currently looking for a third one. So if anybody out there has a A750 you may want to get rid of, let me know. I may even look at the A770s. I would prefer the limited editions because, they're limited edition. But, would love to see maybe what if y'all would have any and you might want to get rid of. But anyway, the BattleMage series is set to launch, and it is codenamed the BMGG10. That is the first lineup right there that they will be having, and we will be looking at 6 or 8 cores on the graphics, depending on probably the variants, right? The BattleMage is going to be the successor to the Alchemist series, which is the ACMG10 series currently, which powers the A770 and the A750 GPUs. So this will be the replacement chip that is currently in the labs and cooking. So we should be seeing these coming up sometime next year. I think they said Q3 is when we're looking at these. There's the GPU families. Where we are currently at, I think, is right here. And we will be coming out with the next series. Here's the BattleMage GPUs. So we are on Gen 12. We are going to be moving to Gen 13 on a 4 nanometer from TSMC. Looking at GDDR6, potentially 6X. And we should see it 2024. I think we still have the Alchemist Plus GPUs to be released as well this year, but I'm not quite sure on that. But yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff coming out. I would be interested to see what is really going to be released coming in the next year from Intel. As well, guys, Bitmain is cooking up some new miners, guys. So the new Bitmain X5 is a XMR ASIC. Technically an ASIC. They call it an ASIC. But the fact that we are looking at that it has cache and things like that leads me to believe maybe it's a powerful SoC chip, more towards the lines of a ASIC chip, because this is running on the RISC-V architecture processors, which SoC-ish to me. You will be looking at 212 kilo hashes at 1350 watts, which is pretty it's not like super impressive, right? Like it says right here, a Ryzen 9 7950X can put down 26 to 12 kilo hashes. I bet it could probably put down maybe up to 30 if they overclock it. But if you're looking at 212, we divide that by, let's just do 26. You're looking around 8 of those processors in order to put down an effective hash rate comparable to this, right? Now, those pull about 200 watts for just the CPU. With the board and everything else, you're going to push more than that. So we'll be gracious and do 210. That is 1,712 watts, which is more wattage than this. So does have a little bit better efficiency, but it's all condensed down into one package. We do not know the price of this yet. Currently, Bitmain is hosting another one of guess the prices of it, and they will give you $1,000 coupon. So we shall see. I guessed in it. Well, if you have to, let me know what you put down below. But yeah, I'm interested to see what's going to happen with this. We do not know the price. We know that this is the Guess the Price series up until 2 days from now. September 2nd, they will be sending out their $1,000 coupons. And September 4th, the sale will start, as well as September 10th, they will start shipping. Support for RISC-V, so this means available for mining multiple cryptocurrencies. So this may not just be stuck to XMR. There are other things that RISC-V will be able to effectively hash at, right? So FA to that, guys. Pretty cool stuff coming out from Bitmain. They seem to be on fire, releasing a new SHA-256 ASIC, as well as, they have their Caspa ASIC, and then the SHA-256 ASIC, and then after that, we have this XMR ASIC coming. So I wonder what else that they will be releasing coming up here soon. We shall see more, hopefully soon. For a last little teaser, I thought this was kind of cool. Max Sun released their Mega Gamer 4090 with 5 fans. So you got the 3 traditional fans on the front, plus you got 2 here on the top. I don't know, kind of cool. I dig it. Extra way to stay cool. Hopefully this display tells you a little bit more. But cool fan design. Not a big fan of the round bubbliness. And I mean, not really much pass through, but at least the 2 fans on top will blow down the fin stack of this. So pretty cool. Or pull out, it looks like they are removing the air. So removing the air via the top could be cool for mining rigs, right? Open air probably would be better, but yeah. Looks like you can set it, and they even have an extra little bar that looks like it comes with right there. Or you can remove the bar. Yeah, you can remove it. Cool. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Make sure you guys hit the like button, the subscribe button, and that bell notification so you know the time that we go live here or post videos on the channel. I would be greatly appreciative of you, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Much love. Keep your hash rates up, your watts down low, and we'll see y'all next time, guys. Peace.